Similarly, we shall exploit the power of information and communication technology to radically diminish opportunities for corruption, conflict of interest, and abuse of office by digitizing procurement and making it open and transparent. Likewise, we shall initiate a framework to make VAT refund processes open, transparent, and accountable, because the immense savings out of this expenditure of public funds will finance investment in productive and transformative economic projects. The reconstituted cabinet will also collaborate with Parliament to develop legislative measures to promote local manufacturing, value addition, and job creation by restricting the importation of those products that can be competitively produced by our domestic industrial capacity. We stand at the beginning of a new chapter of our country's governance and development. The women and men who have been appointed to serve the nation in the reconstituted cabinet have today embarked on a mission that cannot and must not fail. The people of Kenya have made their expectations known in bold terms. They have also made their intolerance for failure, inefficiency, corruption, and ineptitude equally clear. As champions of the nation's development agenda, you will be team players, servants. Let me repeat that. You will be team players, servant leaders, faithful trustees, and effective stewards of the people's interest and dependable custodians of their resources. I am confident that each one of you has what it takes to deliver on your mandate and to satisfy the people's expectations. This is important because henceforth, the terms of our contract with the people will remain in sharp focus. We have no choice but to keep our part of it. The privilege to serve in positions of such high responsibility has come to you with an immense duty to do everything in your power to ensure that Kenyans receive the best services from the government efficiently, without discrimination, and without delay. I urge you, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, members of my cabinet, to go forth and from this day focus on delivery and dedicate your time and effort to the implementation of the various strategies, programs, and projects that the nation's transformation demand. I encourage you to make the people of Kenya your first and only priority, and to never let your own interests come in the way of your duties. I give you my assurance of my full support in discharging your mandate and in executing a reimagined and catalyzed transformation agenda. I have already given my undertaking to be the foremost steward of public resources and embrace my accountability for its proper use. Therefore, it is important to make it clear that my support for you ends if it conflicts with my accountability to the people of Kenya. Let us therefore work together in doing the right thing, and we collectively will be assured of success. I pray that the Almighty God grants you strength, wisdom, clarity, and focus as you assume office, and wish you success in your new assignment. I ask citizens of our great nation to give a chance to these great men and women, to this new cabinet, and to support them to deliver on the mandate that has been given to them constitutionally, and as they perform their duties in the best interest of our country. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless our great country, Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Let us all rise for the national anthem. The national anthem.